Hello, my name is Brian. I'm staying here at the Radisson Blu Carlton. I'm going to take you on a tour. Let's have a look at the room. This is a premium class room. Comes with a queen size bed. So as you walk in, there's a nice little area here for your luggage with a couple of drawers. Inside the wardrobe, there is your safe. You can put your laptop in. It's a really large safe. And then next you have the minibar, coffee machine, and there's the fridge right there. It's a nice sized TV. This is a new TV since last time I stayed here. And by the way, I can tell the carpet has been changed, and I can tell they totally repainted the walls. Everything looks nice and fresh. I've got a couple more drawers here underneath the TV. Of course, you need a desk here. There's your desk to do your work. Put your laptop on. Let's go ahead and take a look at the view. The view is right there in the court of Old Town. There's always something going on out there. Now I think the other rooms here, the standard class rooms, they look at the other, I don't know what they look at, but it's not on the Old Town. I think they call it a garden view. And interesting enough, these windows will open. So there's the bed. That is a queen size bed, like I mentioned. I noticed when I came in, they have a little welcome gift, some Slovak bread, I guess, and a nice little water sitting there. That's cool. Let's have a look at the bathroom here. It's big enough. I mean, it's a nice size. And that's another thing I should mention is this room is, I don't know if you could tell from the video, but it's really large. I mean, I would say this is even larger than most rooms you would find in the US. So for Europe, this is huge. Let's have a look at the minibar. We have a coffee machine. It's one of those cup machines, so they give you some espresso. Here's a list of the minibar items. It ranges anywhere from €3 to €10. Just mark it down what you're going to use. Let's have a look inside the fridge, and there are the minibar items. Got water, beer, champagne. And I also want to point out there is AC here in the room, and it does work very well. Here is the garden view at the hotel if you weren't looking out onto the courtyard. Here is the fitness center, and there are the hours. Let's have a look. Basically, it is one of the rooms here at the hotel converted into a workout room. Here's the equipment, Stepmaster, looks like a bicycle, another bicycle over here, and a treadmill. And they do have a water cooler, TV, and some towels. That's nice. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and to our next adventure.